how to find the password of your connected Wi-Fi on Android phone. Here's how. Swipe down from the top of the screen and touch and hold the Wi-Fi icon. Tap More Settings to open the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. The Wi-Fi QR code will automatically appear on the screen. Take a screenshot of the QR code. Next, open the Scanner app on your phone. Tap the Gallery or Browse icon. Select the screenshot of the QR code you just captured. The Scanner app will scan the QR code and display your Wi-Fi details, including the network name and password. That's it! You've successfully found the password of your connected Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.